been a year and 4 days since the fatal car accident that ultimately took the life of South Africa's much-loved actress Ashley Callie. But the court case against Nico Pretorius is yet to be heard. After 4 appearances in the Randburg Magistrates Court, the case was moved to the Johannesburg Magistrates Court, where it will resume this Friday. Pretorius is facing charges of culpable homicide and reckless and negligent driving. He has yet to plea.
The Metro Police obviously they had a full scope of the accident scene and did a full reenactment of the scene. There are obviously witnesses who also were there and present. So hence the reason that they had sufficient evidence to charge the other driver with culpable homicide and reckless and negligent driving. So the fact is the facts are there. She was an innocent victim in the accident, which is quite obviously upsetting, but we're hoping to get some justice and hopefully just, we all make mistakes, and hopefully the other driver can at least just take responsibility for his actions. He hasn't pled guilty or not guilty during the court process, so we're waiting for that. So we just wait for a trial date to be set so that we can proceed with the case. I can't blame the other driver, Nico Pretorius, at all. We're all human. These accidents happen. Horrific accidents do happen. And I feel for him, and I would not want to be in his position. My only plea would be that he takes responsibility for his actions and allows us all to use this as a great example of how people, face up to their responsibilities, and we can move on, deal with the consequences and move on with our lives. 13th of February will be the first appearance in the Joburg court since we moved from Randburg. We obviously are hoping that we will now finally get a date for our trial to begin, because that's just what we want, to get the process going and get this out of the way. Obviously, it's a public arena, and what's comforting is that a lot of Ashley's friends and colleagues from Isidingo do come to actually support and be there in the appearance to show their support and need to get the trial on the way. There are a lot of people out there who've lost people close to them. And as we all know, time doesn't heal. It just makes you learn to deal with it better. But a year down the line, we just really want to get the court case out of the way so that we can actually carry on and remember the good times more than the actual accident itself.